AI in 60 seconds. What is CLIP? Imagine a robot has been exploring for hours a spaceship, and you ask it, when did you see a laptop? In traditional perception, you would have to go over the entire recordings of the exploration with the laptop detector algorithm activated all the time, and wait until it reaches the moment where the algorithm detects the laptop. And if you wanted to detect another object, then you would have to repeat the entire process again. But what would you say if I told you that now we can do that instantly for any object you can imagine and actually find the exact moment the detection happened? How? Using CLIP. CLIP is an AI model that learns to connect images and language. Instead of simply labeling an image, it transforms what it sees into mathematical representation called embedding. Think of it as converting the meaning of an image into numbers. So, imagine a robot records its journey. CLIP converts every frame it sees into one of these embeddings, creating a searchable visual memory of everything the robot experienced. But here comes the interesting part. After exploration, we type, "Can you find a laptop?" CLIP can also convert that word, laptop, into an embedding in the same mathematical space as the images. Now we simply ask, which memory is mathematically closest to laptop? And voila, there it is, the exact moment the robot saw the laptop. Okay, what if now we ask it to find a fire extinguisher? We don't need to process the video again. CLIP searches the same memories and finds a completely different moment instantly. Imagine the implications this has in, for example, monitoring complex environments with multiple image feeds to search an object, a person, or whatever you want. That's the power of multimodal AI, connecting what machines see with what humans say. This is one of the technologies shaping the AI revolution. Want to learn how to implement it, but don't know where to start? With our AI Master, you'll learn how to program robots using multimodal AI through practical, hands-on projects. And remember, you can also do it.